Hello YouTube, hope everyone's well, having a great day. Today for lunch I'm going to cook a panini. I'm going to use a couple of air fried baskets. I suppose you could use them in a microwave if you've got one. If not, you might be able to use them in the oven, to be fair. Silicone, they're food grade. So you could probably use them in the oven as well. Probably, don't quote me on that, but maybe. You could probably definitely use them, as long as they've got no metal in, which these haven't. You could probably use them in the microwave. I've still got a bit of lamb to use, which I've got to use by tomorrow. So I'll probably put some of that in there. Of course, going to be the old favourite, isn't it? With a couple of eggs in the air fryer. I'm going to do both of them at about 11 minutes. So I could put the lamb in there and the eggs in the other one with the jalapenos. And I've also got a bit of cheese just to make life easy. So right, let's get it done. Jalapenos. Probably a few more than usual. Never mind. Looking good. And eggs. There's one. Just going to move that around a little bit. And yeah. Right, so that's going to go in the air fryer for 11 minutes. All I've done is buttered that as well, just so it doesn't stick. So I'm just going to plonk that in there, something like that. Fill in the corners a little bit. Sort of smooth it out. And see how we get on with that. And that's going to go in the air fryer for 11 minutes as well. Match 11 minutes. 200 for 11 minutes go. Obviously, if you haven't got an air fryer, try doing it in your microwave. There you go. I've just buttered that. I've had to use Flora because I've run out of Kerrygold. So I've just put some buttermilk on it rather than butter. So I've got 4 minutes left of the cook. I thought I'd just show you what they look like now. So that's the lamb mince. And there's the eggs with the jalapenos. So I'm just going to pop that in the air fryer for a minute as well, just to... When I said the air fryer, I meant the frying pan. Right, so I'm just going to try and flip these over somehow. Maybe a bit of flipping. Like that. There you go. That'll melt the cheese, won't it? Melt the cheese, melt the butter, melt all the good stuff in there. Keep that separated. Hopefully, when I turn it over, all the cheese should be stuck to it. Yeah. Give it another minute. Mm. Clean it off of there. Right. That'll do me. Right. So, it's the bottom one. Is it? Yep, that's the bottom one. And then I've got my lamb. The air fryer. That's what it looks like that. I said 11 minutes, I actually put it on for 14 minutes. There's that. Oh, well, that didn't work, did it? But nearly. And that's that. And with that on top, there we go. Lunch is done. See if we can get a better shot than that. So yeah, it's going to be lamb full, egg, jalapeno, 4 blends of cheese, some buttermilk, not Kerrygold unfortunately today, but it will be at some point. Tell me what you think in the comments. So it's my first attempt at cooking lamb in the air fryer. There you go. What do you think? Lovely. Taste. Mmm. So yeah, looks good. Tastes nice. Mmm. Give it a go. It's 14 minutes for the lamb in the air fryer. Extra 11 minutes with the jalapenos and the panini with the cheese on it and the buttermilk. Yeah, a couple of minutes in the frying pan. That's all it took. No more than that, and it's done. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care now. Bye bye.